So this is a Jotul F500 freestanding wood stove. It has 4 fire bricks located at the rear of the firebox, and what we're doing today is replacing them, because as you can see they're quite cracked and they're just not going to last very much longer. So got a pry bar here, helps to loosen things up. You see them shifting quite easily with the pry bar, easily enough where I can just kind of grab them and pull them apart now, which I'll continue to do for most of them, if I recall correctly. A lot of people ask when you need to replace them. It just depends on when they crack. So it could be every season, or it could be every 3 or 4 seasons. We gotta watch that again in slow motion. Look at that. Boom. Falls onto itself. Just flawless. So now that the fire bricks are out, we should sweep that area of the stove out so that the new fire bricks can just slide up and in nicely. And there's a little channel at the bottom you can see there, they kind of groove right into. So again, up, over the lip at the bottom and down, and you slide them into place. And you can only slide them so far, so you don't need to worry about placing them correctly, just slide them all the way over. And the final one there, just digging some last little bit of crud out of there. Last one. Boom, nailed it. Push them all together. Here it is before and after. Much better. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content.